I'm in the middle of a critical setup, corner-weighting the chassis, and my primary 2mm hex driver decided to give up the ghost just now. Of course, it's Sunday afternoon and the local hobby shop is closed. The tip is rounded. It's basically useless. Most people would throw this in the bin and wait 3 days for shipping. In a GT3 pit lane, if a tool fails, you don't wait for Amazon, you fix it and get the car out. Today, I'm going to show you the field-expedient protocol to rejuvenate a stripped high-speed steel bit, regrind the profile, and, crucially, retemper it so it actually holds up for the rest of the session. The failure isn't just about wear, it's about geometry. Once those sharp hex corners round off, the contact patch drops to 0. But here's the data point most underestimate. There's still usable steel further up the shaft. It's our escape hatch that will save the day. However, we can't just grind it down. If you take a Dremel or bench grinder to this small amount of mass, you will generate friction heat almost instantly. You'll see the tip turn blue, grey, or even cherry red. If you do that, you've ruined the heat treat. You've annealed the steel, making it soft. It will strip again on the very first screw. We need to remove material to get back to fresh geometry while managing the metallurgy so we stay in the 58 to 60 Rockwell C hardness range. I'm grinding back about 1.5 mm to remove the damaged material. Short bursts, quench with a wet rag. Short bursts, quench with a wet rag. Rinse and repeat. The goal is to grind perfectly perpendicular to the shaft. If you grind at an angle, you reduce the engagement depth in the screw head, promoting cam out. We have a clean face, but now we need to address the temper. Even with careful grinding, we likely introduced micro stress or slightly softened the very edge. Now watch the oxide colors. This is your temperature gauge. We are looking for a straw to light purple color. That corresponds roughly to 230 or 260 degrees centigrade. This is the sweet spot for toughness. That is positive engagement. Tolerance has been restored. This isn't a permanent fix. I've already ordered a replacement bit. But this protocol bought me 48 hours of productivity. It kept the workflow moving. Maintenance isn't just about the car. It's also about the workshop environment. Being able to service your own tools is a skill that pays dividends in uptime. Don't let a $5 bit stop a $2,000 job. Next week, I will introduce you to this corner weight system and how to use it to dial in the UDR suspension based on data. I'll see you on the bench.